Introducing the Mimo Adapt tablets. Commercial-grade tablets available in 7 different sizes, all designed for 24/7 business operations. The Adapt tablets boast scratch-resistant tempered glass, ensuring a durable and reliable device that can withstand even the most demanding environments. With a 3-year warranty backing each Adapt tablet, you'll receive direct and reliable technical customer service, keeping your displays running smoothly. Are you overseeing multiple devices across locations? Our M-Service software lets you centrally manage updates, track devices, and manage your applications effortlessly from a distance. For focused application use, our M-Lock software allows application or content-specific locking, ideal for information kiosks, point-of-sale systems, and much more. Whether you're set up for Power over Ethernet or prefer wireless connectivity, the Adapt tablet offers both options to seamlessly suit your business needs. Each Adapt tablet features an advanced processor and a quad-core GPU. This ensures robust performance for customer service software, video content, or even 3D graphics. Simplify your setup with easy mounting with VESA compatibility. The Adapt line tablets are not just a product. They're a comprehensive solution to empower your business reliably and effortlessly.